Hello, welcome to my tutorial. I must get boring saying that at the beginning every time. I'll have to change it. This one I'm going to show you how to change your read more text and your intro text. So when you get Joomla as a default, what you find, where's my thing? There it is. What you find is that this read more text, actually, you click read more, it's got the same text again on the article, which is cool most of the time. Makes no odds to people. However, if you was to say, actually, I'd really like some really catchy introductory text. I mean, I've only got a couple of sentences, for example, in the space in the template, and I really want people to read the whole article, but I know if I just do the first paragraph, that's not really going to be the bit that sucks them in. I need to summarize it in a sentence or two. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you should have an article. I've got one here with the read more in it. So here we are. I've got a red line for read more, and if you don't know how to do that, that's just using the read more button, which is there. And so now I'm going to show you how to make this bit as the teaser text and the rest of it as the main article. So after we're done with this, this will not appear in the main article anymore. It will only appear as a teaser text. So let's show you how we do it. So I'm in content and in articles, and then I've got options, and then I will go to show intro text and change it to hide, and I'll save and close. And now, quite simply, when I come here, it's got my intro text, and then some call it lorem ipsum, and then read more, it's no longer there. So that is as simple as it is to basically change your content. I actually prefer this way of doing things than the default Joomla way. I actually think it's nicer to rewrite your teaser text. I think you get more conversions that way. So this is why I'm teaching you how to do it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe, and don't forget to like all of the other social channels. We're always posting about other things, so it's not always our own stuff. So please do follow. And thanks for listening. See you next time.